Hi, my name is Harshit Rathod and I am the co-founder and CTO of Nugar Robotics. Nugar Robotics is an engineering company currently focusing into the medical equipment industry. We started in 2017 with our first product, which was a solar panel cleaning robot. When the first wave of COVID hit India last year, we had to shut down a lot of our operations because of the national lockdown and the travel restrictions. One thing which happened during the lockdown last year was the ventilators were something which was an acute shortage. Most of the ventilators in India are imported. More than 85% of these devices are imported. And because of the global shortage, these were not available. So India required a indigenous solution. Given our expertise in electronics and control systems, we took up the challenge to design an indigenous ventilator. And we were able to do that successfully in a span of 90 days. After the first wave, we worked on increasing our capacity, strengthening our operations, and increasing the team size so that we could cater to a higher demand in case the second wave comes. After that, when the second wave actually hit, we were able to successfully ramp up our production by 5 times, and we took it up to around 100 units per day. And as on date, we have around 3,000 installations throughout the country. We established a distribution and after-sales network after the first wave throughout the country. Going forward, we are working on developing more highly engineered medical equipment to expand our product portfolio and to enter the global market. In the entire process, the funding which we had received from IAM helped us in the rapid scale-up which we did after the first wave so that we could cater to the demand. And the entire IAM team had been very helpful in the entire process. They guided us at the right time, and we are very lucky to have great mentors from IAM. My message to budding entrepreneurs is to always focus on customer centricity and deliver value, because that is the ultimate thing which will take your product and your startup to greater heights. Thank you.